Can you solve this puzzle? Here is a puzzle for you. So let's start. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 4. How we get 4? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. No? If we minus the middle number, 6 minus 2, we'll get 4. Let's see the second one. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. Here if we minus 3 also we'll get 6. So this value, this formula will not applicable. We have to shift for the another one. So let's see. We'll treat the 1 as A and 2 as B and 3 as C. Let's see. We'll go with this formula, and the formula is A power B plus C. Okay, let's check whether this formula will work or not. Okay, so here first line we have 1 as A, 2 as B. Let's check. 1 as A and 2 as B. Plus C is 3. 1 power 2 means 1 plus 3. It means 4. First one is solved. So let's check the second one. Here A is taken as 2 and B is taken as 3. Okay. 2 power 3 means 2 cube plus 4 as C. 2 cube means 8 plus 4 equal to, what is the answer? 12. So this one is also solved. Let's check the third one. A as 3, B as 4, that is 3 to the power 4 plus C as 5. So 3 power 4 is nothing but 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81 plus 5 means we have to add 5 in that. So the total is 86. So A power B plus C is satisfied here. See, let's check 4, 12 and 86. We have solved. Hence proved. So this one is homework for you. You have to tell me the answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.